Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever struggled to organize your math notes or wish they looked more polished and professional, you're in the right place. Today's tutorial is all about creating beautiful math notes in Notion, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to use a free math notes template to supercharge your studying and make your notes faster to create, yet better looking than ever before. Let's dive right in. The first thing we'll do is leverage one of Notion's free math notes templates. Templates are an amazing shortcut because they instantly give your notes a clean, professional layout. It saves you time, reduces the stress of figuring out formatting, and honestly just makes your workspace feel more motivating to use. Especially for math, when neatness and clarity count, this is a huge help. Start by heading to the top left corner of your Notion workspace. You'll see a little drop-down arrow, often next to your workspace name or page title. Give that a click. It might feel tucked away, but this is your gateway to more powerful features. In the menu that opens, look for more options. Sometimes these labels might shift with an update, but they're always nearby. Select Browse Templates. This is where the magic happens. Templated pages in Notion are like pre-built rooms. You can walk right in and start decorating instead of laying every brick yourself. In the template browser, use the search bar to type math notes. You'll find different styles and layouts, each one designed to help you organize equations, problems, proofs, and solutions. Take a moment to click through the previews. I always recommend choosing the template that matches your personal workflow or study style. For example, if you do a lot of step-by-step derivations, pick one with space for explanations and diagrams. If you prefer more minimal, choose something clean with room for simple equations. Once you find a template you like, select it, then hit Add. This imports the template into your workspace. Don't worry if it looks a little generic at first. You can always customize everything to fit your needs. Now let's personalize it. Typically, these templates come with placeholder sections for things like course names, dates, or even your instructor's name. Go ahead and add your credentials, maybe type out Math 101, Calculus, your name, and any other details that will help you stay organized. Adding your personal touch isn't just about aesthetics, it actually helps your brain feel more connected to your notes, making future reviewing smoother. Next, let's talk about the creative side. Notion templates let you drop in images, embed math equations, or even add links to online resources. Use the / command to insert blocks for equations. Just type math and enter your formula in LaTeX. If you're not sure about formatting, that's totally normal. You can experiment and edit freely, and Notion will render your math beautifully once you get the hang of it. If you want to really make the template your own, adjust the colors, rearrange the sections, or add extra pages for homework or exam prep. Think of it like setting up your own study dashboard. The more personalized it is, the more enjoyable your math sessions will feel. And remember, you can tweak things anytime as your needs evolve. And that's it, you've just set up a beautiful, professional math note system in Notion using a free template. Give it a try and see how much easier and more visually satisfying your study sessions become. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more Notion tips for students. And as always, subscribe for more practical tutorials every week. Good luck with your math notes, and I'll see you in the next video.